Definitely have a good academic year. Plan. Hi guys, it's so cold outside. This semester, my goal is to become academic weapon. My goal is to do exceptionally well in all of my classes. So this early morning, even though it's so cold, I'm going to the library to go study. I do have a class later today. The professor was saying he's gonna cancel, but I'm still not sure if he is canceling today or not. But anyways, after my study session, I'm gonna share how I'm planning on achieving a good academic year. Okay? Okay, I'm back in my dorm. I also changed. I'm gonna get something to eat real quick, and I have a class later today. It's currently 4 p.m. and my class is at 6 o'clock, so we have 2 hours before my class, and honestly I'm so tired. The stuff that I studied earlier, I don't understand. Like, I get it, but I don't get it enough. Oh my god, so I have to find another day to study the thing again since I don't fully understand it. But anyways, earlier I was talking about how I plan on making this year a good academic year or being academic weapon, and I have 3 things that I have on my phone, but I have 3 things that I'm going to be working on so that I can definitely have a good academic year. So we're gonna start with the first point. Okay, the first one is have a steady system. I mean, it doesn't honestly matter if I study 10 hours a day, but if I'm not studying right, I'm just not really getting anything from the 10 hours studying that I'm doing. There's supposed to be a steady system in place. That would be, after understanding my notes, I would do active recall, which is basically just trying to remember everything I've studied, write it down or something like that. And then I'll do practice questions to see if what I studied actually stick in my head or not. And I realized that by doing search things makes you actually know the stuff, because sometimes your brain can trick you to thinking that you know the stuff, but you don't know. You just recognize that you don't actually know it. So by understanding the material, which is a really good key, and also doing active recall and doing practice questions, really makes the material stick in your head for a longer period of time. The next tip is time control or time blocking or planning. Planning will be a good generalization. Okay, planning. I honestly love planning. If I don't plan out my day and stuff like that, things just don't look right. On Mondays, I don't have class, at least for now, but I have a class that will start soon on Monday. But anyways, on Mondays, I go to the library from 10 to 2 p.m. That is 4 hours, right? Then from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. is my free time, which I can do whatever that I want to do. Then from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. is another study block. So that'll be 8 hours of studying and 5 hours of my free time. And I try my best to stick with it, because honestly it's just a good balance. I'm giving myself time to study, and I'm also giving myself time to scroll on TikTok as many hours as I want. Sometimes when I go to the library in the morning and I'm sitting and my hands are fidgeting with my phone, trying to go on my phone and stuff like that, I try to remind myself that I'm only here from 10 to 2, and after that block I have literally 5 hours to do whatever that I want with my phone. I can just wait for a few more hours, and by thinking that or saying that, put my mind at ease so that I can focus on that study block and get my studying done. But yeah, so plan. The last tip would be to take care of your brain and also yourself. While I was at the library today studying, I was actually a little bit tired. I didn't get a good enough sleep. I think I had enough sleep, but I was so tired. And sometimes when you're tired, you can barely be steady because your mind is just too fatigued to just get what is going on. And this year I think I'm doing such a good job when it comes to eating, but with my sleep I need to work on that a little bit. But I try to get at least 7 hours of sleep. I have a lot that I need to study, and I need my mind and my body to be in the best condition to study. So these are the 3 steps that I plan on working towards so that I can have a good academic year. But anyways, that is that. Let's go grab something to eat real quick, and then we have class after, then we go to class. Okay, I have pizza right here, and these are mushrooms, and this is banana pepper, and I also have sweet potato. I'm gonna watch Singles Inferno on Netflix, and I think I'm almost done.
저는 고문 씨가 제일 궁금한데
오.
지금 호감도 1위.
I am done with the lecture. It was supposed to be 3 hours, but the professor finished it an hour early, which is so great. I'm going to the library again because I have some flashcards that I'm still not done. So I'm gonna go to the library, try to finish it up before I go to sleep tonight. Okay, it's currently 10:49. I already made my schedule for tomorrow. No.
We're gonna play Zig together?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Rejoice.
Rejoice?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Getting ready to go to the library, and it's about to be 12 o'clock, and I'm planning on staying there from 12 to 4 p.m. The winter this year is so brutal. Guess what is in this big Amazon bag? Like what? Oh my gosh, but this is what was in that bag. It's a lip liner. I saw this girl on TikTok use it and it looked really nice on her, so I bought it to try it too. We are gonna do Amazon haul. There's a lot of the things that I bought are in this bag. First off, we have this. it. I bought this makeup remover. This is how it looks like. I got some floss here, hand cream, and it's a lot that is in this bag. And it's so beautiful. That is all the stuff that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm not sure if I'll go to class. I might join class on Zoom because it's currently 5:36 and I'm still not done. Oh.
Arteries, capillaries and veins. The arteries transport blood from the heart.
It's 9:04. Y'all, I cannot take a break from studying, but I'm going to the library to do some multiple choice questions. Cheers. I just finished my practice problems and I want to show you guys my score because it honestly looks so funny. I started with week 1 materials and I got 80%. Not bad. I was honestly surprised. I thought I'd get all of them right because week 1 stuff was pretty easy, but it was not bad, right? Then I did week 2 and I got the same score as week 1, 80 again. Then I did week 3. With week 3, the professor gave us 2 lecture slides. So I did part 1 and I got 90 and part 2 90. Not bad. Like I did so good. Week 4, I got 60%. Okay, I'll explain this for a second. I got 60% on week 4. Then we go to week 5 and I get 30%. 30% on that. Isn't that crazy? But yeah, week 4 and week 5, I honestly don't know the stuff at all. German class lecture, I couldn't understand the stuff. I rewatched the video again to take some notes. I was not understanding it. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna go back and have to say this all over again. It's currently 10:57 and I am done for the day. Hi guys, guess where we are going today? The library. Today is Friday. We are almost done with the week, so we have to finish strong, okay? I'm so tired and sleepy.
Doce Bahia, vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria. Doce Bahia.